mga guys! Good morning sa inyong lahat. I want you to see the snow out there. Ayan. Yan, ang snow. There. Kita nyo? Kaya pala sobrang lamig ng panahon. Enjoy! Good morning everyone! Good morning! Yan, good morning guys! It's snowing here in Milan. Yan. Dito ako sa aming terrace. Yan, ang lamig-lamig. It's snowing! Wow! There you go. Yan ang view sa amin from our terrace. Yan po ang aking mga halaman. Yan. Pretty. Yan din. At yan din ang aking aloe vera. There you go guys. Taglamig na sa Milan. And it's really snowing. I wish you all the best in life. Yeah. Enjoy watching the snow. Ayan, parang Christmas tree na ang puno sa tapat ng aming bahay. It's snowing and snowing and snowing. Yan, guys, kita nyo? You see the snow? There. Close up natin yung halaman. Ayan, ang snow, guys. Nag-i-snow na talaga. You see? Ganyan ang snow. Then later, matatabunan ng mga halaman ng snow. Yan. From our terrace. Enjoy nyo lang ang snow mga guys. There you go. Kaya pala sobrang lamig guys. Yan oh. Kita nyo? Ang hirap pag-work pag ganyang malamig, sobrang lamig. You will go out, tapos madulas ang daan. Yan ang aming kapaligiran. From second floor. Yan. Sa ating terrace. It's snowing. Enjoy lang mga guys. Have a nice day. God bless you all and stay safe. Cover ng maayos para di sipunin. God bless you guys.